Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. Gardens are getting a little bit drab at the moment. Don't forget to plant some winter colour. This is Hamamelis, mollis, a variety called Arnold Promise. It's smothered in yellow flowers, late winter and early spring. Look at the branches, all covered in buds ready to open. It's got lovely autumn leaf colour as well, but it's the fragrant yellow flowers in winter and early spring I love. This is the time of year to plant Hamamelis. You just need to dig a hole twice the depth of this pot. A little bit of super dry planting fertiliser at the bottom, as well as compost and soil on top, and the same bank in around. And this gorgeous Witch Hazel, Hamamelis, mollis, Arnold Promise, will be in your garden for years and years to come. It likes to be fed with our high iron formula. We send some of that out, and we're sending out the Hamamelis mollis to you. You just, when you're finished planting, a little bit of dressing on top, and then start in spring, finish in autumn every 6 weeks or so to keep it in good condition. It'll make sure you have lots of flower buds every year and healthy foliage. But Witch Hazel is well worth finding a spot for. It's a large shrub to small tree, well worth finding a spot for that winter colour. When you have nothing else in your garden, this lovely Witch Hazel, Hamamelis, mollis, Arnold Promise will be in flower. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.